The general theme of a meeting tonight on the housing situation in Niles was that there are problems, but the city is working on them. Many people in Niles will tell you there are too many rentals, but as I found out, that's not necessarily the case. A small crowd of 11 people, a few of them landlords, met this evening at the Niles Wellness Center to talk housing.
So we realize that we have a blight problem. The blight problem is not all rental properties.
Niles Housing Inspector Jeff Crowley said 37% of Niles' 8,300 housing units are rentals, some of which are apartment buildings. But Niles is one of the few cities with a rental registration program.
I was dealing with an investor today. He has 93 properties in the state of Ohio, and we are the only city that has a registered rental program, and basically brought him to court to fix up his home.
But he says don't blame Niles' blight problems totally on rentals.
Just because you're a homeowner doesn't mean you're taking care of your property.
2,500 people have left Niles in the past 25 years.
So the people may leave your city, but they don't take their houses with them.
Which means Niles has a housing surplus.
Are we doing anything as a community to maybe bolster demand through incentives for potential home buyers?
And to that question, Niles Service Director Ed Stredney said the city has talked with 2 different banks about a down payment assistance program.
What it's going to look like in Niles, if the administration and council ever want to push it, I don't know, but we'll probably present some sort of rough draft of a plan for them to consider.
Niles also works with the Trumbull County Land Bank to deal with its vacants. 10 houses have been approved, and bids to demolish 7 have already gone out. One more note on the rental properties. Landlords in Niles are responsible for paying the back utility bills of their tenants. Some of the landlords at the meeting want to make sure those tenants are not allowed to rent somewhere else in Niles without paying them first. City officials say they are working on that.